In this video right now, I'm going to chat up a YouTube support staff right on this very video. Okay, so just stay through to the end of this video if you are looking for how you can chat up a YouTube partner support staff and get immediate response. All right, so let's jump in right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is this. You copy your YouTube channel URL. Note, this particular video is for people who are having different issues with their YouTube accounts. Maybe your YouTube views are not counting. Maybe your watch hour is not increasing even when you know that you are getting views. Maybe you just recently got monetized and your earnings are not counting. All right, these are some issues that YouTubers experience on daily basis. Or maybe you feel that your channel got demonetized by mistake. Maybe you feel you didn't really do anything and your channel got demonetized and you want to contact the YouTube support and get immediate response. This video is for you. Okay, so let's get right into it. Like I said, the first thing you need to do is copy your YouTube URL. Okay, so I have copied my YouTube URL already and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can immediately contact the YouTube support and get immediate response. I mean immediate in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so that is it. Now, like I said, after you copy your URL, you go to your YouTube studio. Okay, so I'm right here on my YouTube studio. The first thing you need to do is to click on the small profile picture icon right beside the notification bar, all right, which is the bell icon. Then after you click on it, you're going to see different options for you: settings, send me feedback, help center, YouTube, privacy policy, terms of service, and lots more. Okay, so you just click on help center. Okay, when you click on help center, it's going to bring up for you different options: contact us, check your YouTube subscriber count, choose how you want to monetize, change video privacy settings in the YouTube Studio app, manage YouTube channels, basic info, edit video settings. So what you have to do right now is to click on contact us. Okay, once you click on contact us, they are going to ask you question. Step 1, what can we help you with? So let's assume that I want to ask them about their privacy policy. So I'm just going to include privacy policy. Okay, then I click on next. Okay, I'm going to put it up right on my screen here. Okay, then there are a lot of suggestions for me, but I'm going to just select other because I don't really have anything I want to chat them about, but because I'm creating this video for you to see how you can do it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on next. Then the step 2 is the resources. They are going to bring up for me different resources that I can watch to get my answers, but I don't want the resources. I want to chat with their staff. So I just click on next. So finally we are here. You can see it right here on my screen. We have chat and email. I don't want to do email. I want to chat because I want to chat them up immediately. It takes just 1 minute. So I'm just going to click on chat. When I click on chat, they are going to bring up for me to select, to put in my details. So they are going to ask for my name. All right, I'm putting it up immediately. Okay, for you. Then they'll ask you for your email address. Make sure to use the email address for your YouTube channel that you are, requesting for support on. Okay, then you put your channel URL. That's the reason why I said you should copy your channel URL. And they will ask you what can we help you with. Okay, I'm going to write privacy policy. Okay, so I'm just going to click on start chat. Okay, once you click on start chat, a YouTube customer support, a human being is going to chat you up immediately. Okay, you are number 1 in line. You want to use your place. Okay, so you can see, like I told you, I'm going to show you right on this call. You can see it. Someone is already, hello, my name is Charles. How are you doing today? This is a real human chatting me Okay, so I'm going to respond, hello, I am good. So that is it. Very simple and straight to the point. Okay, once you respond, they will ask you, I learned you're asking for our privacy policy, this, that, So let's say that your channel got demonetized and you chat them up like this. They are going to ask you, okay, you said your channel got demonetized. How do you think we can help you? And so on and so forth. So it's very easy. If you have any issues or if you have any questions you want to ask about YouTube, no need of going to ask different people looking for answers from people who are not working with YouTube. You can just easily come to your support and chat them up immediately. It doesn't take time. You can see it. You see, this person have already responded. He said, "Hi, Mary Cynthia. I see that you are concerned about the privacy policy on the platform. I know how important this is for you as a creator, and I will be happy to check this for you. Can you tell me more about it?" So if maybe I had any issue now about privacy policy, I can, continue the chat, but I do not have any issues at all for privacy policy. I just did this for the purpose of this training, and I hope it helps you to sort out whatever issues you have with your YouTube account. All right, so if you have seen my channel for the first time, don't forget to let us know in the comment section so that we can give you your own popcorn. Okay, so thank you very much for being on this video today. I hope it helps you solve whatever problem that you're facing with your YouTube account. All right, if there's anything you want me to talk about on this channel, you can as well let me know in the comment section. My name across all social media platforms is Okafo Mary Cynthia, and I'm more active on Facebook. Okay, so after Facebook, I think the next platform that I'm more active on now is YouTube. All right, maybe later I'm going to go to Instagram or Twitter. All right, so but this is just the places that you can easily find me: YouTube comment section or Facebook. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section or reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll be there to respond to you. All right, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people get to see and learn from it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Yeah, hello guys. No, if you are a YouTube creator and you want to get in touch with the YouTube support, then pay close attention to this video.